How to use Fiverr on multiple devices. Fiverr is primarily designed around a single mobile device use, meaning your mobile is now a primary device and you do not have the option of logging into two mobile phones simultaneously. But however, you do have the option as secondary devices such as desktops or even tablets. So as I said, you cannot log into two mobile phones simultaneously, but if you want to use it on another device such as a laptop or a desktop or even a tablet, you can easily do that. So you just need to download the application of Fiverr onto a second device, whatever device that may be other than a smartphone. And then you can open up the Fiverr on your mobile phone, tap on the more option on the bottom right, tap on settings, and then tap on account. Inside of account, you will have the option called desktop and tablets. Fiverr does allow you to log into other devices. So you can tap on this QR code on the top right. Whenever you have installed a Fiverr app on your desktop, for example, you will have a QR code that you can scan through this phone. Once you scan the QR code, the desktop Fiverr will be successfully logged in and you can use the same Fiverr account on different devices. So this is the way that you can use Fiverr on multiple devices. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.